Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add animated message pop-ups to a video in CapCut. So here you need to make the message video first. So I'm using a black background like this, and then you can just go to text and find the text template, and in here swipe through the category until you find a message. Okay, so just choose the one you like. I'm going to just use this basic message template. Then you can just adjust the size and change the message. So just double click on the message, and then you can just change the message to the one you want. Okay, after that you can just export this project. Okay, now click on done, and okay, after that you can just open a new video here as the background that you want to add the animated message pop-up. So you need to go to overlay, click on add overlay, and then choose the video. So the message here, add it to the video, go to blend and choose alignment. Okay, now the black background has been disappeared, and you can just adjust the positions of the text message here, for example like this. And I'm going to add animations to the overlay so that it slide down. So go to animation in and find the slide down animation. Okay, this one. So it looks like it's a pop-up message. Okay, now I'm going to add the audio or the sound effect. You just need to go to the transition tab, and here you can use this thing or swish or maybe ping sound. I'm going to use just the ping. Click on the plus icon and just okay, so like that it will appear as the message pop-up. It will go like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.